Let's develop a C program to display multiplication table of a number. The user will enter one number and multiplication table of that number is to be displayed. For that, one variable is declared whose data type is integer and whose name is num. Num will hold that value of a number. One more variable is required and I have declared that variable as a I. Now what is the role of I here? I will hold the values from 1 to 10 because in order to find the multiplication table of num, I have to multiply num by various values from 1 to 10, and as multiplication activity is to be repeated for 10 times, I will go for loop in latter part of the program. First thing I will do is I will display a prompt message to the user to enter a number. So this message will be displayed to the user, and as the entered number is to be stored in a variable num whose data type is integer, I will write scanf followed by %d double inverted comma complete comma and the name of variable where the num is going to be stored. So it is going to be stored in num. Before displaying the multiplication table, one more message I want to display is multiplication table of the entered number. So this %d will be replaced with the entered number and the entered number will be in a variable num. So number should be, the table should start displaying from the next line. So I will write \n here. It is followed by actual multiplication process. Iteration variable is I. It is initialized with 1 because multiplication will start by multiplying num with 1. For how much time I have to multiply it? I have to multiply the num up to the value of I reaches to 10. So I less than equals to 10 is the condition, and after each iteration the value of I will increment by 1. So I is equal to 1, I is equal to 2 until it reaches 10, the loop will be executed. And here the actual values in the table of num are displayed. As answer is going to be in the form of integer, so %d is written, every next value is displayed on a new line, so \n is written, and the formula for multiplication is num multiplied by I. So what is the role of here num into I? If say user enters the value 6, then num will hold 6. Initially I will be 1, so 6 into 1 will be displayed. In the next iteration 6 into 2 will be displayed. So this will go on till I reaches the value of 10 and multiplication table of 6 will be displayed. Let's compile the program and check for any errors. There are no errors. Let's run the program. Enter a number. I have entered the number 6. So multiplication table of 6 is 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. In this way, the multiplication table of a given number can be developed. Thank you.